Do you have a plan for this website that you're about to build? No? Well, you're not alone. When we wrote term papers back in school, we were taught to write an outline first. We were taught to write the middle of the paper before the introduction and the conclusion. And we were encouraged to proofread everything to make sure it flowed from start to finish. Creating a website is not so different from the term paper process. First, you need to start with a plan for what you're building. You can then concentrate on building the inside pages of the website, getting some content in place. After the inside pages are built, go back to the home page and get it in shape. Finally, debug the website and make sure everything is working correctly before you launch it. In this course, we will be building a Joomla website for Kinetico, a company specializing in alternative energy, specifically wind and solar energy. Your website should reflect 3 kinds of goals. Organizational goals. The site is a reflection of the organization behind it. That organization, whether it's a business, nonprofit, school, club, or your own personal site, has a reason for existing. What's the reason it exists? Who does it serve? What is it trying to achieve? Understanding this background will help you understand how the website can support the organization. In the case of Kinetico, the organizational goal is to create a new, cool technology for harnessing energy from wind and solar resources, and they need to make sure the world knows about the work that they're doing. Now that the goals of the organization are clear, think about why the users are coming to the website in the first place. Who are they? What do they want from this site? What environment are they in when they're looking at this web page? In general, users want to read about the latest products to get a sense of what's possible with alternative energy. They also want to know what's new in alternative energy development. Finally, investors need information about the management of the company. These users are typically younger people with a strong commitment to the environment. For the most part, they're looking at the site on a desktop computer, but there's rapid growth in the site being viewed on a tablet like the iPad or Android tablets, as well as on mobile phones. Distributors also need specialized information for installing Kinetico solar panels and wind turbines as well, in addition to new, potentially confidential information about trends and products. Once you understand the organization's goals and the user's goals, the website goals become much clearer. Kinetico needs to inform the public about new products that they've been releasing. They'd also like to inform funders of the progress made in developing new products and technologies. They also want to support their distributors in the field, the people who are installing Kinetico solar panels and wind turbines for other customers. As a result, we've designed a site with a structure and content to support the goals of the organization, the users, and the website. This is a very brief summary of how to think strategically about this website. If you'd like to learn more, and I hope you do, be sure to watch my Website Strategy and Planning title, available here at lynda.com.